You stay in your room, I stay in my world. Somehow there always seems to be a door between us. You turn too soon, I take it too far. We lose control and seem to tumble from each other. You want my heart, I want your mind. We get confused and settle for each other's bodies. You push me away, I just can't prevent. We fight too much to have a chance of being happy. And Sunday morning, I'm watching you sleep. And without warning, all the things we fight about slip away like small gray rain. You're always on time, I'm always in tune. With parts of life you never seem to need to notice. You cut me with words, I try to explain. There seems to be so much to say, we lose in language. It's Sunday morning, I'm watching you sleep. And without warning, all the things we fight about slip away like small gray rain. Spinning our wheels, try to find ourselves, looking in different directions. Is that why it feels like we always seem to really see each other? You stay in your room, I stay in my world. Somehow there always seems to be a door between us. You turn too soon, I take it too far. We lose control and seem to tumble from each other. You pray to a God, I live day to day. We disagree about the things that really matter. But isn't it great to be so in love? And stumble home at 6 a.m. splashing in the rain. It's Sunday morning, I'm watching you sleep. Hey guys. And without warning, all the things we fight about slip away like small gray rain. You guys ready? Here we go. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Spinning our wheels. Are you sleeping? Spinning our wheels. Small gray rain. Thank you, Greg. Great way to get us going.